Good morning, everyone. My name is Zoe, and I am super excited to introduce you guys to Team One's project. Are you ready to guard tomorrow with excellence today? And we're calling it Operation Sentinel. And this is just because our focus of the entire project was to learn how, cybersecurity professionals are able to detect and analyze and just respond to different threats using some of the best tools in the industry, the most powerful tools. So throughout this experience, we explored different tools such as SIEM, SOAR, and Microsoft Senator, and even use Merlin AI for assistance in breaking down some of these complex concepts in real time. So I'm excited to take you on this journey, and now I will pass it off to my teammate Tyler.
Thank you, Zoe. Let's get started by creating a Microsoft Azure account. So what we're going to do is follow the sign-up process to register and log into Microsoft Azure. I already have this set up with my Gmail, so I'm going to go ahead and log in. Once inside, we're going to search for Microsoft Sentinel, and then we're going to click the plus button for add, and we'll need a log analytics workspace. So we're going to go ahead and create a new workspace, enter a name for the workspace, the subscription, the resource group, and then the location closest to you. After that, we're going to click Review, Create, double check all the settings, and then go ahead and proceed with the deployment. And it's going to seem like it's loading up, and then deployment complete. And now we're ready to connect all our data sources and start using Microsoft Sentinel. And I'm going to pass it over to Deonche to explain more about Sentinel.
Hi, my name is Deonche Robbins. I'm sure by now you're wondering, what is Sentinel? Sentinel analyzes cyber threats. It also protects businesses' valuable information through the use of collecting data, smart analytics, and machine learning and AI-powered threat hunting. And with that, I'll pass it off to Derek.
Thank you, Deonche. Microsoft Sentinel enhances security operations through playbooks. They do this using Azure Logic apps that can execute options such as blocking users and sending alerts in response to threats. With this, I pass it to my teammate.
Thank you so much. Hello, everyone. My name is Larry D, and I'm going to be talking about the next slide is how to use Merlin AI in order to find the foundation of Sentinel, which are two data connectors that uses multiple resources in order to analyze data and also analyze threats and detect, and also the way in order to use KQL, which is Kusto Query Language. It's a query language that helps break down large volumes of data in a faster and efficient way, and also uses semi-structured, unstructured, and structured data in order to perform this process. And below is an example of KQL, which is also known as Kusto Query Language.
Thank you, Larry. When working with Microsoft Sentinel, AI tools such as Merlin can really help you boost productivity and efficiency. For example, first and foremost, they can simplify complex KQL queries by translating and debugging them in real time. Secondly, AI can help you build analytical rulebooks and translate them into JSON format, automating what would be a tedious task for the user. Lastly, AI can generate attack scenarios and patterns that suggest protective rulebooks that you wouldn't have even thought of, help you prepare for threats that you wouldn't have seen coming at all. It's like having an assistant that's pretty much always one step ahead. Thank you, and I pass it on to my teammate Darius.
All right, so thank you, Tayshawn. So I'm going to be explaining what SIEM and Microsoft Sentinel is. So SIEM watches computers for problem, while Microsoft Sentinel alerts you to anything unusual, like many wrong passwords that you may be entering, or computer sending data to a strange place. Together, they're like a watchdog and an alarm, always keeping watch of you and keeping everything safe for you. Now, with that, I'm gonna pass it down to my teammate.
AI plays a key part in cloud security by detecting threats early, responding to them automatically, and constantly learning to stay ahead of more advanced cyber attacks. It also helps human analysts by handling the more simple tasks so that humans can keep their focus on the more advanced task at hand and keep the system more secure and efficient, while also having AI being part of the team.
Thanks, Princess. Hey guys, my name is Cody Hollis, and I'm going to speak on SOAR. SOAR is an acronym for Security Orchestration and Automation Response. It's a set of tools that helps to automate and coordinate how security teams respond to threats, making operations faster and more efficient with less manual work. SOAR works in tandem with SIEM, as SIEM detects, SOAR responds. SOAR orchestrates tools and systems together to work seamlessly by automating repetitive security tasks using workbooks. Sentinel is a cloud-native solution that integrates both SIEM and SOAR functionality, pretty much offering comprehensive security management. By ingesting the data from diverse sources and using analytics for threat detection, it acts as a SIEM. Then it functions as a SOAR by utilizing playbooks built on Azure to automate threat responses, streamlining incident response, and reducing manual effort.